Welcome to a bit of a different video. Yeah, that's right, today we are going to unbox something. Haven't done it a lot in my life, so we will see how that goes. And the thing we're unboxing today is actually something that I never really needed in my life, and I don't think that I will ever need. So a little while ago I was shopping for some controllers on the 8BitDo website, and I found this thing which I felt like looked really interesting, so I had to just buy it. And now it's sat in my shelf for the past 2-3 months or something, and yeah, so let's look inside. So on first glance it looks like a regular numpad that just looks cool, but this actually has another feature to it that I'm really interested in. So let's open it up, I guess. Yeah, this is no like super environmentally conscious plastic-free packaging, so we do have a wrap that we need to get rid of. But I do have some experience in that, of course, so let's just get inside. And now I have some plastic. Can I do like an ASMR video with that? So let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm getting like iPad flashbacks here. Ooh, some foam in there. Okay, we do have a USB-C cable that looks pretty retro from the colorway. It also feels kind of okay, I guess. And then we have the main thing here. Let's just put that to the side, of course. What else do we get? We get a sticker in Chinese. I think that is probably my serial number, so now you know that. Perfect. And then we have an instruction manual. Yeah, we will definitely not need that. And then the main product. Ooh, I mean, that does look very retro. Yeah, there are a couple of different colorways for it, and I figured that one looked great. I mean, they all look pretty good, but yeah, that's already like everything that we get. But that's, of course, all that we need. And I mean, in this day and age, we even get like a USB-C cable, right? Like that's not something that's to be taken for granted anymore. And actually, it is a fairly long one, I think. So that's a pretty nice like 2-meter cable, which, I mean, of course, if you cable manage this into your desk, then that's pretty much appreciated. So it looks like up here we do have a bit of a knob situation, so we can choose to go between Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz operation. And there's also a dongle included that you can just store in the back here. There's magnets. I love magnets.
Nice.
That's pretty satisfying, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, turning this thing on, we see a 100. I'm assuming that's the remaining battery life. And we also have a blinky LED, which probably just means that it is looking now or is ready to pair. And then there's also the mode for the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. So this is probably then a pairing button, I assume, and that is then some other key. Maybe to go back into numpad mode, because of course the cool feature of this is that it is actually also a calculator. So you press on the calculator button, we now just see 0, and then 5 plus 5 is 10. Awesome. And I mean, the sound of this is pretty cool too. I mean, I like mechanical keyboards, but this sound is actually, I think it sounds nicer than my actual keyboard. Actually, let's do a quick sound comparison here. So now I have here my 2 keyboards that I have at home, because one keyboard is of course never enough. So this is my main keyboard right here. And I kind of like it, to be honest. And that right here is then my, my couch keyboard, basically, for my couch gaming PC. Also quite nice, but then this is the numpad / calculator. Yeah, it is kind of loud, so as my main keyboard that would be kind of annoying probably, but as just a little fun novelty product, it's pretty fun. And yeah, I think that's already pretty much everything that I can say about this. Yeah, it's a numpad that you can connect to your computer wirelessly. It's a calculator that you can use to calculate things if you don't already own a computer or a smartphone. I mean, to be honest, it has a quite nice of a feel to it. So let's just do some more calculations here, I guess. Yeah, so it can't handle like infinite numbers, sadly, so yeah. I'm also seeing on my monitor here that it is flickering a little bit, but that is definitely not visible in real life, so that's good, I guess. And yeah, I don't know really what else to say about it. I'm not going to use it for its intended function anyways, so yeah, I think this will just go back into my shelf to like look cool. So yeah, thank you for watching. Of course, I'm going to link this down in the video description down below. I don't have a ref link or anything, so I'm not actually earning anything from this video. So get subscribed at least, please, and see you in the next video.